Good evening, students. In previous classes, we have discussed about the application of mole, and today we will discuss some more application of mole. One application is to calculate the molecular mass of a heavy molecular weight compound. Heavy molecular weight compound. For example, if we take an question. Suppose in a polymer, the percentage of carbon is 20. The percentage of carbon is 20, and one molecule of polymer contains 12 atoms of carbon, then calculate the molecular mass. Calculate the molecular mass of polymer. Question is, if a polymer, the percentage of carbon is 20 and one molecule of polymer contains 12 atoms of carbon, then calculate the molecular mass of polymer. Solution of this question. Let us consider the molecular mass of polymer be X. Suppose this is the polymer molecule whose molecular mass will be considered as X, and such small circle shows the percentage of carbon which is given in this question as 20%. So according to question, if molecular mass of polymer be X, then X, the 20% of X is equal to the total atomic weight of carbon. Atomic weight of carbon is 12, and the total number of atom in one molecule of polymer will be 12. So total atomic weight of carbon in one molecule of polymer, it is 12 into 12. Total atomic weight of one molecule of carbon. Again, if we consider the molecular mass of polymer be X, then according to question, 20% of X is equal to carbon, and here carbon is given as 12 atom, so 12 into 12 is the atomic weight of carbon. So calculate X, which is the molecular mass of polymer. The value of X will be, which is 12 into 12 into 5 AMU, atomic mass unit. This is the answer after multiplying these units. So if in a question a heavy molecular mass compound, the percentage of an element is given, then we can easily calculate the total molecular mass of the heavy molecular weight compound by using given procedure. Okay. Next application, is for binary compound. Binary compound like Mx and Y type. If we want to calculate the molecular formula of binary compound with the help of percentage of element in a given binary compound, for binary compound Mx and Y type, according to law of constant composition, a relation hold such as Y into moles of M, which is equal to X into moles of N. This relation is always applicable for such type of binary compound which is formed by two different elements Mx and Y. For example, in case of H2O, we are applying this relation here, 1 into moles of hydrogen, which is equal to 2 into moles of oxygen. So moles of hydrogen upon moles of oxygen, it is 2 divided by 1. We also known as the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in one molecule of H2 is always 2:1, which is proved by given relation moles of hydrogen ratios moles of oxygen, which is equal to 2:1. And how we use such relation to determine the empirical or molecular formula of a given compound according to given percentage of an element in binary compound. So example is, another example, calculate the molecular formula of a metal oxide if percentage of metal is 54, atomic weight metal का given है, which is 27. Here is the question. Calculate the molecular formula of a metal oxide if percentage of metal is 54, atomic weight of metal will be 27. The solution of this question: firstly, consider the formula of metal oxide be MXOY. So according to law of constant composition as well as mole, we can written Y into moles of M is equal to X into moles of O. So here Y into moles of M. If we suppose the total mass of metal oxide be 100, then according to question the percentage of metal is 54. So the metal will be considered as 54 gram and the left is oxygen, which is 46. So moles of metal will be 54 divided by atomic weight of metal, which is 27, is equal to X into moles of oxygen. If 54 is metal in X, then left will be oxygen, which is 46, divided by oxygen is 16. So the ratio of X upon y, it is written as 46 into 27 divided by 16 into 54. After solving this, which is approximately 2 times, and this was 3 times, so here is 3 divided by 2. If the ratio of x and y is 3:2, then the formula of metal oxide will be M3O2. M3O2. Here is the procedure to determine the molecular formula with the help of percentage of element given in the molecule. And if we want to determine the valency of the metal, for given example, if we want to determine the valency of the metal, then this will be written as M2 by 3. So here is 2 M. If we multiplying 2 by 3 on both sides, so this formula can be written as this one. So it is M2O 4 by 3. So the valency of oxygen, which is written adjacent to metal, is 2. Then the valency of metal will be 4 by 3. So formula, if we want to determine the formula of metal chloride, so here the valency of metal is 4 by 3 and the valency of Cl is -1. So the formula of metal chloride will be MCl 4 by 3, which is written as M3Cl4. This is the procedure to calculate the valency of the metal, and with the help of valency of the metal to determine the formula of other metallic salt. So here is the question, and it is another application of mole. In next class we will discuss some more application of mole. Thank you.